This is kind of embarrassing. I've been sharing weekly videos about underrated wildlife species for over 2 months now, and I haven't talked about a single moth. And if we're going to celebrate underappreciated animals, we have to talk about moths. So today, let me tell you about the cinnabar moth, a species found across much of Europe and large parts of Asia, including here in the UK. And before you say it, no, it's not a butterfly, but it does fly during the daytime, and it has that incredible black and red colouring which basically acts as a giant warning sign to predators, saying, please don't eat me. Because both the caterpillars and the adults contain toxins that make them taste pretty icky to predators. The caterpillars feed almost exclusively on ragwort, a native wildflower that does spread and does need to be controlled in some areas, especially as it can cause significant harm to livestock. But it also supports many wildlife species. In fact, cinnabar moths are so closely linked to ragwort that without it, they couldn't survive. And while butterflies tend to get all the attention, here's your reminder that there are around 2,500 species of moth in the UK, but fewer than 60 species of butterfly. Moths are pollinators, food for countless other animals, and an incredibly important part of healthy ecosystems. From a distance, cinnabars can very easily be mistaken for a butterfly, especially when they're in flight and they just look like a blur of colour. But next time you see one of these pretty insects, please remember that it is in fact a moth, not a butterfly. Thank you so much for watching my latest video in my little series, Nature's Underdogs. I'll be back next week to talk about another underrated animal, and I'll see you then.